Another beautiful day. Another beautiful day. Welcome to my YouTube channel, our travel vlog _99. Kindly subscribe, like and share my video. This is another video. Don't forget to follow me on my Facebook page, Motorway99, and on Instagram, our travel vlog _99, on TikTok, our travel vlogs _99. I am on board this beautiful tram here. I am going to vlog around another area of Stockholm. Let me show you guys. I am going to vlog around another area. As I said in my previous videos, that Stockholm is a very big capital city. I cannot able to show the entire Stockholm to you guys, but I will try my best. The sooner I'm done with Stockholm, I can now start traveling to another cities and share those experiences as well with you guys. So I am in the tram, here in the tram, going to different places, guys, within the Stockholm. Let me show you. Can you see that building? It is decorated with gold plated. You see, maybe it's gold. It's possible because I can see. Let me see. It's a dramatic. It's a theater hall. It's a theater hall. King Liga. In Swedish is Kung. Kungliga. In English is King Liga. Dramatiska. Dramatic theater. Dramatica. Kungliga Dramatica Theater. In Swedish. In English, Kungliga Dramatic Theater. That's the place. See, right in front of you. Share my video. This is Stockholm. See the architectural design of these buildings. See, oh God, beautiful. I'm still here, our travel vlog. Kindly subscribe to this channel, guys. Take me to 1,000. You know, as a new YouTuber, it's really difficult to get the numbers, but me, I will not relent. I will do my possible best to get myself where I wanted to be. With your support, if only you can support me, share my videos, convince others, talk to them, I will reach there. Just get me to 1,000 and leave the rest with me. So you are always welcome to this channel. For you, my subscribers, a big shout out to you all. Greetings from me, from this beautiful country, Sweden, to you, wherever you are watching this from. Give this video a like, subscribe to it, like and share. Our travel vlog _ Today I am in a tram, just strolling, guys. I have to show you everyday content, every day. Let me come to this other part. It's another area here, guys. See how beautiful it is. See? Guys, I think I have to come down this place. I am going inside here. I have to dress up properly. Yes, guys, I have to dress up properly so I can continue my journey. Yes, let me get inside. I am inside one of the biggest shopping malls. It is called Alliance. In my previous video, I showed you outside of this building. Today, I'm showing you inside. But music is playing. So me, I don't want to get copyright. So in that case, I have to find my way out. I have to find my way out. I am using this way. I'm going to take the commuter train, which is called Pendeltåg. I'm not going to take it now. So this is Åhléns. It's a big space. You even have space up. It has up to 5, 6, 7 layers up. But I cannot go there. I'm going to take the train. I'm going to take the train and go home. At least I've showed you content. I've given you content today. It is a must for me to give you content. So guys, let me go. I will end the video where I am boarding. Hey, när jag kan ta pendeltåg. Double tap. Tack så mycket.
Du går ner till linjen, sen ner en gång till.
Okej, tack. Yes guys, let me share this experience with you. You see, I'm going to take the pendeltåg. In English it's called commuter rail. I'm going down. Guys, you see it is almost 200 meters. 200 meters deep. You see, 200 meters deep. I'm going right down. You see how programmed they are. Developed country. They do everything in an orderly manner. I'm still going down. Little boy is stopping the mother. Yes guys, I'm going to follow this sign. This is the metro train. This is a metro train. I'm not going to take this. I'm going for the commuter train.
He has been the whole day at home.
Now it's busy here. Let me check for my, let me see if I have my, yes. Pendeltåg, see. We are still descending. I am right under the ground floor. Right, down below. Well organized. see? I am going to this place. So they tell you 2 minutes. Let's go, guys. La la la. People are rushing, so they tell you, guys, you see the space. We are still descending. We are still descending, guys. I am right below. I am down below. I see this train is going to, so they tell you how long it is. I am inside. I am going to sit at the back of the train. I'm going at the back. This is rush hour. I am now inside the commuter train, but I think I have to go all the way back where I came from. Yes, I'm going back all the way from where I came from. This video is just that every day I have the responsibility to give you content. So I just showed you how transportation works. Transportation system works from the tram. I come into the commuter train. Yes. So now I'm going back there where I came from.
Okay.
Yes, guys. I'm still vlogging. Yes, guys, I'm still vlogging. Guys. I'm going to end this video shortly. Yes, welcome to my YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe, like and share my video. Our travel vlog underscore 99. I am on board the commuter train taking me from the central part of Stockholm to my own area. It is called Södertälje. Yes, area is called Södertälje. Inside the train, guys.
Can't put it.
Look. Serious. Oh wow, she don't be out for us. Okay, I just met one of my friends on the train. Yes.
You live?
I am vlogging. Yeah, I'm vlogging. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Our travel vlog underscore 99. Like and share my video. I met my friend. His name is Pastori. How you do? Say hello to my fans.
Hi fans. Hello. Hi guys.
Yeah, guys. Finding my way, guys. So, guys, I don't want to keep you long on my channel. Follow me on Instagram, our travel vlog underscore 99, on TikTok, our travel vlog underscore 99, and on Facebook, Motorway 99. Motorway 99. Follow me. So I'm going to end this vlogging here. Subscribe to this channel, get me to 1,000. Yeah, take care then. Bye bye. See you in another video. Bless you guys. Bye bye. Say bye bye. So guys, you're all welcome. I'm going to end this video on the face of my friend.
Okay. No lie.
The camera don't want to switch off. Let me try again. Well, also you are a lucky man. The camera still captured your face. I'm trying to let me try to stop the vlogging. Bye bye. Oh my god, what's wrong? Guys, this dude here is very lucky. The camera don't want to go off. Again, let me try.
Finally now.
Let me see. I hope so. Oh my god, it's a problem. Then I have to do it like this. Okay guys, finally, bye bye.